Biobidet BB-600 Ultimate, an advanced toilet seat with optimum cleansing technology at your fingertips. In this video, we're going to look at the cleansing features of the BB-600 Ultimate Advanced Toilet Seat. The BB-600 comes with a built-in heater and motor and requires only a simple cold water connection. With state-of-the-art aerated bubble technology, BB-600 supplies continuous warm water up to 1 full minute. The BB-600 comes with a convenient dual nozzle for posterior and feminine cleansing. Each function is operated by separate, conveniently located buttons. The nozzle is motor-driven instead of water pressure-driven, which allows for consistent movement, less defects, and higher efficiency. With hygiene always in mind, the nozzle is made of a specially germ-resistant material. The nozzle tip can be easily removed and replaced whenever desired. This comes in very handy when you have guests who might be sharing the toilet, and it makes replacing the nozzle on a regular basis incredibly easy and practical. The BB-600 has the advantage of a posterior wash, a feminine wash, and an exclusive wash button especially for your child. The child wash provides the softest wash imaginable, just the sort of gentleness you expect for your child. And as a safety precaution, the seat sensor is automatically disabled during child operation. The BB-600 also comes with a convenient auto wash button, which cycles through oscillating, pulsating, and dry on either the posterior or feminine wash setting. With just the push of a button, the water temperature, water pressure, and nozzle position can be finely tuned to your preferred setting. The water can also be set to pulsate and oscillate. The pulsating function provides a massage feature that is especially effective in stimulating the rectum, which eases bowel movement. The oscillation function provides effective cleansing over a wide area. Both the pulsate and oscillate functions can be used simultaneously with any cleansing feature. The BB-600 also comes with a remarkable self-cleaning feature, as well as a manual cleaning feature. The nozzle automatically self-cleanses after each and every use. To manually clean the nozzle, however, simply press the stop button located on the side panel without activating the seat sensor. The nozzle will extend and remain in that position while you manually clean it. Pressing the stop button again retracts the nozzle. The BB-600 is a totally maintenance-free product and does not require routine cleaning. The BB-600 Ultimate Advanced Toilet Seat comes with advanced cleansing technology for optimal personal hygiene. Both experts and consumers alike consistently rank the Biobidet BB-600 as one of the top-rated advanced toilet seats in its class.